Hi everyone! In this lesson you'll learn how to do a clicker game with balloons. Let's see how we'll do this. We'll pick up a backdrop first and I'll choose room 1. The cat will be deleted from here, and I'll pick another character, for example this balloon, and I'll change its color in yellow, and after I will duplicate to be 2 with this color, and I'll duplicate again and I'll change its color in purple. And this is enough with those 2 colors, and now I'll duplicate it again and I'll pick the blue color, and I want that my game to make a point when I'll press this color, and for purple and yellow ones to not do something special. So let's see the code for this. I'm on the blue balloon, and when the sprite clicked, I'll make a variable called point. So for the beginning, this variable will have the value 0, and when the sprite clicked, change my variable called point by 1, and after I want that balloon to be hide, so I'll pick this from looks, and I want to duplicate this for 4 times, and now let's see what this code will do. So I'll press this color and this color and this one and this one, and in the end the point is 4. And if I'll press the yellow color, the program will not do anything, and the same for a purple one. This is all for this lesson, and if you like this game, please give a subscribe, and we will see at the next lesson. Goodbye.